I'm going to show you how to install alldata 2013. It can be from your hard drive or external or internal hard drive. In this case, I copy mine to my C drive because I have a lot of memory in here. So it's up here. Just go here, double click, yes. Click next. Accept the terms, next. I'm gonna type this info randomly though. Next. Next. No. Okay. The installation was successful. You will see this icon right here. That's the alldata. Now you gotta go back to your hard drive in the external or internal. Double click this. Select all these three files. Copy. Back. Paste. Copy and replace. Now go to alldata. Alldata disk copy. Click on it. Yes. Use network. Okay. Grow disks. Okay. Click that one. Then okay. And okay. Next. Finished. It's ready to go. Let's take a look at it. Next is, let's pick any car. Views. Okay. And close this up. Diagrams. There you go. It's ready to go. If you need any help, this is how you can contact me. I'll be glad to assist you. There you go. Just send me an email and I will get back to you. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it and it'll be useful to you.